Hey, it's Kayla from Happy Face Photo Booth Company, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create this animated welcome screen for your guest in Canva. Now, I am a Canva Pro subscriber, so if you do not have Canva Pro, consider subscribing so that way you can get awesome features. Also, shout out to Doris Bessman. Her YouTube video is what inspired me to create a tap to start screen. Before we even get started, what you'll want to know is the size screen your iPad is. So for me, I have an iPad Pro with a 12.9-inch screen. So my pixel size is 2048 pixels by 2732 pixels. Once you have your screen size, create a design with a custom size and type in your pixels. For my event, I knew it was a baby shower and it was a boy. So I started off in the design tab and typed in baby shower for boys, and I went through the different designs and templates that they already had. A lot of them were invitation style, so what I did was deleted the elements that I did not need and tailored it to what I wanted. All right, so now for the moment you've been waiting for. I went ahead and went over to my iPad and I opened Canva on my iPad. You also noticed that the bear changed. In hindsight, I think I could have done the same idea of what I wanted to do originally, which was have that baby bear in the airplane fly off the screen and basically enter on the right. I think it was just too late at night, and when you learn something new, you get frustrated. So I just became frustrated and I saw the create an animation feature. So here we are. So what I wanted to do with this was create a motion to where it looked like the baby bear was just floating in the sky. It would have been cool as well to have the clouds in the background kind of move around a little bit, but you do these things a couple more times, with practice makes perfect. So I think what I did was just perfectly fine. And ultimately, I got what I wanted. I made sure to take my time and draw an infinity loop because my goal was to create a continuous floating baby bear in the sky. But if you do do this for the first time, just be prepared to sit there and just take your time and get it how you want it to look. At the end of the day, I just wanted the customer to kind of be wowed by the start screen. So once I finished my infinity loop and I got it to what I wanted, I added the movement style, which is smooth, kind of slowed the speed down, and I went ahead and downloaded that to my files on my iPad and uploaded it in Virtual Attendant in LumaBooth. Now, if you do not have Virtual Attendant on, you are not able to use the animated screen. You need to have Virtual Attendant on and upload that starting screen in Virtual Attendant. And you see, this is how it looks when you launch your event. All right, now it's time for the test drive. So congratulations, you just made your animated screen. You have the stars at the top, your bear is moving, they tap the screen to press the experience, and voila. If you like this video, then consider leaving a like or subscribe. Follow us on all socials, and if you need any more help with anything LumaBooth related, feel free to message us or leave a comment with what you want us to give a tutorial on for the next video. All right, bye-bye.